In pictures, heavy rainfall causes severe flooding in Phnom Penh. Authorities say that the heaviest rainfall in 3 years was responsible for yesterday's flooding in parts of Phnom Penh. Mr. Sam Piseth, director of the Department of Public Works and Transport of Phnom Penh, said that heavy rainfall on the evening of July 3rd of up to 153 millimeters measured at Boang Traffic Station was the heaviest rainfall in the last 3 years and caused heavy flooding in the central areas of Kon Sen Sak Minchi, Spar Ampav, Por Sin Che. The director of the department asked citizens to ensure that no garbage was blocking drains, as this can exacerbate flood issues.